Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. On this video, I am going to teach you how to find the period of deferral of some deferred annuities. So kapag sinabi nating deferred annuity, it is a type of annuity in which the payment will start on a later date. So deferred annuities are series of equal payments but will start on a later date. So example nga nito ay yung mga ini-offer minsan ng mga appliances store, katulad na lang nitong nasa screen natin. So this refrigerator is offered in a deferred payment in which the first payment will be made after 3 months. So magbabayad ka ng 2,325.36 monthly in a year, at yung first payment mo ay magsisimula after 3 months. So, ano ang tawag natin doon sa first periods na hindi tayo nagbayad? So, ang tawag po natin doon ay period of deferral. So, it is the time between the purchase of an annuity, so yun yung time na nakuha mo yung ref, and the start of the payment for the deferred annuity. So, yun naman yung time na una kang nagbayad. So, yung pagitan, yung interval na yon, yung interval na nakuha mo yung ref and yung unang pagbabayad mo, ang tawag po natin doon ay period of deferral. Ngayon naman, papaano kukunin yung number of period of deferrals in a deferred annuity? Let's have this first example. Monthly payment of 6,000 for 9 months that will start in 6 months from now. It is clear that the first payment will start in 6 months and will last for a total of 9 months. So, halimbawa, ngayon ay January. So, ibig sabihin, yung start ng kanyang pagbabayad ay sa June. Tama po ba? Okay, ngayon, let us illustrate the cash flow. So, yung start of the deferment period ay ngayong buwan. So, that is the first month. At yung kanyang start ng pagbabayad ay nasa 6th month. So, nasan dyan yung tinatawag nating period of deferral. So, the period of deferral are the first 5 months. So, yun yung period of deferral. Sa period na yan ay wala muna siyang bayad. So, mag-i-start lang yung kanyang bayad after 6 months. So, the period of deferral is equal to 5 periods or 5 months. Okay, next example naman po tayo. Semi-annual payments of 7,500 for 15 years that will start in the 4th year from now. So, it is the same with our previous example. So, mag-i-start po yung kanyang payment in 4 years. Dito naman po ay semi-annual yung kanyang pagbabayad. Ibig sabihin, every after 6 months. If we are going to illustrate this annuity, so yung una po natin na yung start po ng period of deferral ay yung for 6 months. Ang second 6 month is equivalent to 1 year. Third 6 months is 1 year 6 months, 2 years, 2 years 6 months, 3 years, 3 years 6 months, and yung fourth year po na yan, ang tawag po natin dyan ay yung start ng kanyang pagbabayad. So, nasan po dyan yung tinatawag nating period of deferral? So, yun po yung mga nauunang 7 periods. So, kapag binilang po natin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ibig sabihin, there are 7 periods of deferral or 7 semi-annual intervals. Okay, last problem. Payment of 3,000 every 3 months for 8 years that will start after 3 years. So, dito naman sa problem na ito is every 3 months or quarterly yung kanyang pagbabayad for 8 years and it will start after 3 years. So, kapag i-illustrate natin yung annuity, so, every 3 months yung interval. Okay? So, yung next period after 3 years is 3 years and 3 months. So, ibig sabihin, dyan mag-i-start yung kanyang pagbabayad. So, asan dyan yung tinatawag nating period of deferral or deferment period. So, yun yung mga naunang periods. At kapag bibilangin po natin lahat yan, those are 12. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, there are 12 quarters or 12 periods of deferrals. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Take care and keep learning.